In this video, we're presenting the before and after results of paint correction and ceramic coating on a Black GMC Sierra. As car enthusiasts, we understand the importance of maintaining your vehicle's appearance, which is why we're excited to share with you the amazing transformation that this truck has undergone. The Sierra's paint had swirl marks, scratches, and other imperfections that detracted from its overall look. But after our team performed a meticulous paint correction process, the results were stunning. The paint looked deep, glossy, and free of any imperfections. But we didn't stop there. To ensure that the paint remained protected and looked its best, we applied Ceramic Pro ceramic coating. This adds an extra layer of protection against dirt, water spots, and other environmental contaminants, and gives the truck a hydrophobic finish, making it easier to clean and maintain. Follow and subscribe for more. We are Prestige Auto Appearance, Ceramic Pro Allentown Elite Dealer. Experience the difference. Call us today at 610-628-4249 or visit us at 3826 Broadway, Allentown, Pennsylvania.